Hello guys, very happy new year to all of you. Today I'll be talking about few things that I wanted to talk about since long time. I have been working on Linux for a long time, but when I see some YouTube videos, I am very astonished. People doing certain things, and I just wanted to cover that a little bit. So the only major thing that I still wanted to talk about today is Control Z. So let's take an example of sleep 100. If I press enter, then I can see that the command is running. Now if I press Control Z, you would notice that it will show stopped and sleep 100. So if I do a PS, you can see that the sleep command is still running. So when you want to stop a process, the right way is to do ctrl+c and not ctrl+z. If you do ctrl+z, then the process is still running in the background, and this can cause a slowdown of your system as your system continues, as you keep stopping your processes. That was one quick thing that I wanted to talk about. But the other two interesting things were I saw some people talking about hacking and mentioning how you can hack certain sites without knowing anything. So let me take an example of Flipkart.com. So just to give you a brief again, we are not doing a hacking here. At best, it can be called as a prank, but even prank is not a good term for it. I don't know how better to describe it. So, if you have never used the developer toolbar, you can go from here, go to web developer, go to web console. You will see this web console pop up here. This is on Firefox, but on Chrome and others as well, you can see same pop up appear, where you can write your JavaScript code and it will be executed immediately. So some people assume that if you make a change here, it is basically going to make the change on the website, but that's not true. So for example, basically I can just do document dot. Let me increase the font a little bit here so that you can see the content that I am typing. Okay. I hope this is better. Okay. Document.body.inner HTML. This is the content that you are seeing on any website, right? So you have a DOM object where you have body, and inside the body you have the HTML, which basically shows you the whole website. Now I can simply open the console and type this, and as you can see, the whole thing disappeared. That doesn't mean that now Flipkart doesn't have any content, right? I can as well put here my name. If I was not really happy with it, I could even make it H1. Again, remember that these are only things that are happening on your side of things, right? It's not really doing anything on Flipkart website. So you can play as much as you want to with this document.internal inner HTML, and if I go on a second tab, you can see that the Flipkart website will still remain the same. This is only affecting the way your client is rendering, and all the JavaScript is only being executed on the client side. So something very similar. The other thing that people really like talking about is document dot body dot content editable. So content editable basically makes things editable, right? So I can just make content editable as true, or actually no, let me first go to some product, maybe go to baby wedding, something, whatever it is, right? So I can see that the page, the price here is something like 689. So the other way I can go to the same console is by clicking on right clicking and then going to inspect element and then clicking on console here. So here I can do the same thing, document dot body dot content editable. This is equals true. Okay. What this does is it allows me to click anywhere and change whatever I want. So I can change this to just 9 from 689. And this means that the person who is seeing this will only see 9 and not 689. I can change this to 92% to make it more realistic. This also is only changing the content on your side of things, which is on the browser only, and when you try to buy this, you will still get the content, the item at the same price which Flipkart has set for you, and it will not really change anything on the server side. So those were the couple of things that I wanted to talk about today. So until next time, bye.